Hey guys, so what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys have seen my channel, every single day I do Hot Wheel races on my 6-lane raceway in the form of YouTube shorts. So in order to keep adding cars to my collection, because new stuff's coming out all the time, we are adding 6 different cars from this Hot Wheels Zamac set, and it's also a all truck set. These are all the trucks and they look absolutely amazing. We have the Volkswagen Caddy, custom 1972 Chevy Luv, the 1967 Austin Mini Pickup, the 1983 Chevy Silverado, the 1975 Datsun Sunny Truck B120, and the custom 1993 Nissan Hardbody. Let me know down in the comments down below which one of these awesome Zamac trucks is your guys' favorite. I'm actually really excited about this, and the artwork looks pretty cool in that case as well. But I'm going to go ahead, open up all of these, check them out, and then we're going to move over to the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, line them all up, and we're going to race them. But before we bust this open, I do want to mention I am bringing back giveaways on my merch store. So I did those for a little while, and then I kind of stopped doing it because I had a lot of other stuff going on, and I didn't really have the time to be able to keep up with all that. But they're back, and it's not just a giveaway. We have 2 giveaways. We have a Hot Wheel RLC Cowabunga, which is the Volkswagen Beetle. It comes with a pin and a patch. And then we also have the 2024 Collector Edition Nissan Silvia. Very similar to an RLC with the Spectre Flame paint, rubber Real Rider tires. I'm giving both of these away to you guys. So all you have to do is hop onto my merch store, shopmtparadise.com, or there's going to be a link in the description down below. For every $5 you spend on my merch store, you automatically get entered into both giveaways. So make sure you go check that out. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels on there, from mainline premium, collector cars, bunch of different Hot Wheels, as well as automotive themed products. So you do not want to miss out on that, and you do not want to miss out on these giveaways. Also, not only that, but we have 10% off my entire website all the way to the end of the year. So the giveaway does end December 31st, 11 p.m. or 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you guys have till the end of the year, and the 10% off starts now and goes all the way to the end of the year as well. But you do not want to miss out on these. Let's go ahead and set them aside for now and go ahead and get some scissors out and bust this open. I'm really excited about these. I know a lot of people love trucks, and I really like the Zamac cars, so it's kind of like a best of both. Let's go ahead and pop this. There we go. Alrighty. Man, this is such a cool lineup. Let's go ahead and start with the 1967 Austin Mini Pickup, and it's like really wedged in there. The plastic that this came in is like really thick and like heavy duty, which is really nice, but there we go. Oh my gosh, this is even metal on metal. This thing is, I mean, it's a mini, so obviously it's really small. And this thing, like I said, it's all metal, has really tiny tires on it, and it's actually pretty heavy. Like compared to like a regular Hot Wheel, this is a lot heavier than most. Thing is really cool looking. The iconic mini front end, got some stripes there, stripes down the side. Man, let me know what you guys think of that. Next up, we have the custom 1972 Chevy Luv. There we go, also kind of snug in there. And this is really cool. It's obviously Zamac with green accents, and even has green glass, the windshield, the little sunroof. Man, even the little back window there. Even says Chevy on the back. I really like when Hot Wheels has a lot of detail, and it's even like raised lettering. It's not just like printed on there. You do have a green bottom on that. But man, this thing looks so cool. Let me know what you guys think about that one. And then next up, we're going to pull out the 1975 Datsun Sunny Truck. And wow, this one's really cool. I kind of like that. It's almost like it has like a little wide body to it. And I know a lot of people love Datsun. I am one of those fans as well. This thing looks so cool, and I really like that theme down the side with the yellow, orange, and red. Kind of looks like a sunset there. Man, this thing is so cool. It even says Datsun on the back real big. There we go. We can get to focus. Man, that is awesome. Now we're going to pull out the 1983 Chevy Silverado. This is an absolutely massive truck. Not only is it a massive truck, it is also metal on metal. So this thing is very hefty as well. This one's Zamac with blue. It has some really cool designs on the hood. Blue windshield, side windows, and back window. It even has a little Goodyear design or a Goodyear logo on the side. And the thing is really cool. And wow, this thing is a massive Hot Wheel. And compared to the Mini, you can see that it is a lot bigger. And these are both metal on metal. So that's also kind of interesting how that's going to work on the 6-lane raceway. Let's go ahead and pull out the Volkswagen Caddy. There we go. This is really snug in there. And this is really cool. Zamac with pink, and even has a pink bottom there, or you can say purple. But that looks really cool. Has a little Volkswagen, yeah, it says Volkswagen Caddy on the back, which just, you can get to focus there. There we go. And it also has like a little skateboard in the back, which is really cool that they actually painted that individually. This thing is pretty cool, and I really like those rims as well. This big old school 5-spoke. Man, those look awesome. And the final car is the custom 1993 Nissan Hardbody. This one's also a metal-on-metal car or truck, and this thing is very, very heavy. It is a lowrider, so I'm curious to see how that works on the track since it is very, very low. But it does have a really nice kind of gloss black finished bottom, and obviously the black all around on the sides. And it's very, very subtle, very sleek. That's what the back looks like as well. So obviously it has like little air tanks for the airbag suspension, or the air ride suspension. And then I did notice that the Chevy Silverado also has like a little air tank right there since it is kind of aired out. So let me know down in the comments down below which one of these trucks is your guys' favorite. And man, this one, I'm kind of curious to see how this Nissan's going to roll, because it doesn't roll the smoothest, so I'm kind of curious to see how that's going to go. But let's go ahead and move over to the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, line up all 6 of these, and race them. Alright, so we have them all lined up here, and they look amazing lined up together. And I really like the green on the Chevy. That kind of absorbs the light through the sunroof and just really makes it pop. Let me know which one of these trucks is your guys' favorite. Also, let me know which one you think is going to win this race. I know 3 of them are metal on metal, but sometimes it's not always about weight. But let's go ahead, race these trucks, and see which one is the fastest in 3, 2, 1. Wow, that was honestly not what I expected. Lane 3 is the winner, and that is the Volkswagen Caddy. And actually, I think that is the lightest one out of all of these. So that's pretty interesting that right there is the winner. I was thinking maybe the Mini was going to win because it is the metal on metal and it's super small, and maybe one of the others. Let me know which one of these you guys thought was going to be the winner of this race, but I honestly did not expect that. Alright, so let me know down in the comments down below which one of these trucks you thought was going to be the winner. I did not expect the Volkswagen to take the win on this, but I think all these do look absolutely amazing. I'm really excited to add them to my collection, and these will all be kind of featured in some upcoming Hot Wheel races on my 6-lane raceway. And if you guys do have requests for those races, I do viewer request. I can line up 6 cars and add it to like my little weekly tournaments. But like I said, don't forget to check out my shop, shopemptyparadise.com. Get entered into these 2 giveaways right now, going to the end of the year. But if you guys did like the video, make sure you go down and hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.